The ski report that comes your way 47 past the hour only on FM News 101.
And it's now 6:49. There are surprises in the latest snapshot on Portland area real estate. Here to talk about this is our real estate expert, Rick Sadel. So, Rick, did the market actually slow down in January?
Well, technically it did slow down a little bit, but that's only because we have fewer buyers generally looking in December. So we have fewer closed sales in January. But that being said, the 1,344 closed sales that we had in January were the most we've had for any January since 2007.
What else is in that report that you found surprising?
Well, we ended up with about 5.4% appreciation for the last 12 months, so that didn't surprise me. But what did surprise me was some of the specific areas of Portland. So in Northeast Portland, we had 9% appreciation. West Portland, we had 8.3%. Yamhill County, we had 10.6% appreciation. And what we have to bear in mind is that we were actually still losing value in the first quarter of last year. So most of that has happened in the last 7 to 9 months.
Wow, Yamhill County, more than 10%. That's pretty impressive in a year. That's great,
It's crazy, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, recently heard that Portland's expected to be one of the nation's top 10 hottest real estate markets this year, looking ahead. Have you seen anything to back that up?
Well, if the activity in my office is any indication, it wouldn't surprise me. We're starting to get multiple offers on properties again. The phone is ringing off the hook. We haven't seen these kind of numbers in my office since January of 2007 as well, and that was at the height of our last cycle. So, no, it wouldn't surprise me a bit.
All right, we'll keep an eye on it. That's Rick Sadel with Keller Williams Realty and PortlandRealEstateAdvisor.com.
In the news this morning, TV is not the bad guy. It's what's on TV